Well, today we topped out at 90 to start off the month of August. I know you've been hearing about this cool down for the weekend. It's still on the way. You'll notice a difference tomorrow and really notice that difference coming up on Sunday. But looking back at July, this should come as absolutely no surprise. It was a warmer than average month. Average temperature at the airport 83.2, which was 2.5 degrees above average. The record, you may find this surprising, but the record warmest July was back in 1993. Yeah, the year of the blizzard. We had a record monthly temperature of 85.2. And I credit viewer Tommy Millsaps for pointing out this. Every morning in July 2025 was 70 or higher, at least at the airport. And that's due in part, it was a very humid month, which tends to hold up those morning lows. And even with all that humidity, the airport had below average rainfall. That was only due to the scattered nature of the rain. It was kind of hit and miss all around during the month, even though it was very humid. For the year, we're still above average by 4 inches. And even though for the month, level field was about 2.5 inches below average. For comparison's sake, Cleveland, yeah, plenty of rain. Over 5 inches of rain for the month. So it's really kind of hit and miss where we had the rainfall. 91 currently. It feels like 98. And that's with all that humidity out there. Temperatures are a bit lower to the north. You're seeing some of the effects of that cooling trend north. But to the south, it is still awfully warm, cooler in some spots where rain is coming down. It is very scattered right now. The activity kind of picking up just a bit across Hamilton and Bradley County and right along the state line. While not severe, be aware of slow-moving heavy downpours, especially right along 75. Be aware of lightning also. Very spotty also north of the city, north of Decatur, and just west of Sweetwater. To the south, more numerous, Somerville down to Rome. These have been a little bit stronger, dropping farther down to the south and east, rain and lightning being the main impacts there. It's all due in part to this stalled front. We are now north of the front, so we're getting the northeast breeze. That'll bring temperatures down over the weekend, but with that front dropping anchor and stalled, that means scattered showers are also going to stay in the forecast throughout the weekend, but we talked about that all week long. So here we go tomorrow morning. Cloudy start, temperatures right around the 70s early, 60s away from the city. And throughout the day, we'll stay beginning the 70s through midday. Your best chance for a shower tomorrow during the afternoon. Kind of like today, scattering of showers and thunder showers. Temperatures will range from the 70s at higher elevations in the north, low to mid 80s in the valley. Yeah, still warm, but way below what it has been lately. Then on Sunday, you're going to notice the cooling trend even more. This is Sunday morning. Shower chances both early and during the afternoon, kind of off and on throughout the day. And because of the clouds, showers, and that northeast breeze, temperatures on Sunday will stay mainly in the 70s. There'll be some breaks in the rain at times, but off and on showers will cause some outdoor plan interruptions at times. So the gradual drop in temperature starts tomorrow. Highs in the 80s, scattered mainly afternoon and evening showers and storms. And then you'll notice that trend cooling down a bit more on Sunday. 70s, that's it. Many areas may say in the mid-70s. Off and on showers are possible. Back near 80 Monday, but morning lows will be in the 60s to start the week. And then gradually by late week, well, the summer August heat returns with highs upper 80s back near 90 a week from now.
All right, David, thank you.